Tell Bonnie, where's Toy Chica? What? Where's Toy Chica? Oh, she overslept, so I didn't feel like waking her up because I feel like that's a rude thing to do, so I ain't gonna wake her up and yeah. What she do last night? What? What she do last night? What? What she do last night? Dude, are you deaf? No, I ain't deaf. I just didn't hear you. What did she do last night? She was having a party. Yeah, I didn't do the party with them, so I just went to sleep. And that's when Toy Chica overslept, and I couldn't wake her up. Okay. That's why she ain't here today? Yep. Whew. Alright. So, what are we gonna do today?
I don't know, Cat Mario.
Me neither, man. Oh, come on, man. Whew. No school again? Yeah, that's amazing, right? Yeah, we didn't have school yesterday, and today we had no school? Yeah. No school 4 times in a row? Whew. I ain't going to school tomorrow. Me neither, man. It doesn't make sense how we should go to school. I mean, how we off for 4 days, and then we go back on the last day. Yeah, that stuff makes no sense.
Yeah, I would rather stay home than going to school.
Yeah, so tomorrow, we're staying here. Yup, we're staying home from school tomorrow. Yeah, cause it made no sense. Guys, I'll get to my house. I'll get to my house real quick.
For what, Lukas?
So, I could get in the shower, cause I forgot to get in the shower last night, and yeah. You could get in the shower in this house? I don't know how to use the showers in this one, so I just go use the shower at my own house. Alright, Lukas. They forgot. They said, when was the last time he got in the shower? It was like Tuesday night. He forgot to get in last night, so yeah. Okay. He gotta stay fresh and smell fresh.
Yeah.
Man, I agree. Hey. Daisy, what was that?
That was my hiccups.
Your hiccup? What the? Where did they come from?
I don't know.
Those are your hiccups, Daisy?
Yeah. You never heard me hiccup before?
No. That's my first time, Daisy. Yeah, that's my first time too. That's our first time, period. Yeah, we never hear you hiccup like that before, Daisy. Wait, what? Look, Daisy is hiccuping. Daisy has the hiccups. Oh, man. That's crazy, man. Where did they come from? She didn't have hiccups yesterday? Or did you?
What?
Did you have hiccups yesterday? Oh. Well, you just started hiccup. You have hiccups now?
Yeah.
Wait, those are your hiccups? What the heck? Alright. I never hear anyone hiccup like that before, man. Yeah. But from Daisy, this is the first time. Yeah. I remember last year when Springtrap had the hiccups, we had to scare him a lot. Yeah. Yeah, we had to scare Springtrap by going into that paper that says spooky on it and a scary picture on it. Oh yeah, I remember that. It was just me, you, and Foxy. If Chica didn't even come with us, there wouldn't be no time wasted. Right. So, it will originally be me, you, and Foxy. Yeah. It will originally be y'all.
Yeah, we're guys.
Anyways. Wait, where'd Lukas go? Oh, he went back to his house to take a shower. Oh. Chica, what are you doing here? Why is that your business? Chica, I know it's not my business. I'm just asking. Well, why you asking though? You're a Chica. Fine. Go. Just do whatever you want. I don't even care. I'm gonna stop asking you that since you never answer the real actual answer, Chica. Like, come on. Alright then. Oh no, it's happening again. Out of nowhere.
I know, right, Cat Mario?
Oh gosh. What is that? What is what, Chica? What is Daisy doing that for? That's her hiccups. That's no way that's her hiccups. I know, right? I'm saying the same thing. There's no way that's her hiccups. Yeah. There's no way at all, man. No way that's your hiccups for real, Daisy.
I haven't hiccup in 8 months.
Dang. So, after 8 months, you never hiccup.
Yeah, it was like February 2nd or something.
Oh man, before you even met us? Yeah. Oh my god. Well, we're gonna have to scare Daisy. I don't feel like scaring Daisy too much. Me neither, man. Cause she'll just, cry at some point. Yeah. And we don't want Daisy to feel so sad. Yeah.
What are we gonna do then?
I don't know, Rosalita. Wait, I think I have a plan. I think I have a plan. What, Sonic? So Rosalita, the last time Rosalita had hiccups was like January or February?
It was January.
Oh yeah, that was right. Yeah, January. It was like January. It was by the middle of the month. 17, right? Ah, you got it right, boy.
How you know, Luigi?
I don't know, I just guessed. Yeah, January 17th. That was the last time Rosalita had hiccups, so my ways to scare her is just use something scary.
Use something scary? For what?
So that will scare her out of nowhere. Maybe that'll work, Sonic. But I gotta find something scary first. Or do something scary. How about you go fuck yourself? Hey, no, Chica. You go fuck yourself. So, I think I have a plan to this whole situation, man. So, wait. No. It was, yeah. Let me tell you guys the next thing that I did to Rosalita to get rid of her hiccups. So, the next thing I did is I made my face frowny. Frowny? Yeah. And my eyes started to get angry. And then I started tackling Rosalina. But I wasn't even doing it for real. I was just doing this. And she got scared. Ooh.
Maybe that'll work on me.
I hope so. Let's start on a plan. So, Luigi, since I did it to Rosalina, you had to do it to Daisy. Alright, man. Oh yeah, you can't do it in front of everyone because they might get a little scared too. Okay, alright. Let's just do it in the closet, Daisy.
Oh yeah.
Alright, Daisy. So, what did Sonic tell me to do again? Oh yeah. So, oh yeah, Daisy. Sit right here. Then, I can't close the door because they haven't fixed the lights yet, and yeah, they haven't fixed the light yet, so I'm gonna kick the door open. I gotta kick the door open because they haven't fixed the light bulb. Yeah. And Sonic told me to do a frowny face. Eyes angry. Then tackle Daisy, but not in the serious way. So let's go.
Oh, Daisy, what the heck? Ah, Luigi, you scare me. Yee, baby. Ooh.
Is your hiccups gone?
Huh. Now that you mention it, they are gone.
Oh, cool. Sonic's plan worked out than I thought it wouldn't.
Yeah.
Ooh. Sonic, your plan worked than I thought it wouldn't. Oh, cool. Yeah, it worked. It worked, right? Yeah. That really scared Daisy.
Yeah.
So, your hiccups are really gone?
Uh-huh.
Cool. I told you the plan was gonna work, Luigi. Alright. So, you got rid of Daisy's hiccups? Yep. Oh man, that's a great part about this. Getting rid of somebody else's hiccups by scaring them really hard. Yeah. And especially for Halloween. Ooh, baby, I don't know what to do about this. I don't know what to do. Like, if I had the hiccups and somebody scares me on Halloween, I don't know what to do. Like, they'll scare me so hard that they scare me so hard that my hiccups will be gone so fast, and I'm just gonna poop my pants if I get scared so hard. Come on, dude. Yeah, that's a statement. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's a real statement. Yeah, I know. So, y'all got rid of Daisy's hiccups? Yep, they did. Yup. Where's Lukas at, man? Yeah, where is he?
He been in the shower for long.
Yeah.
My dude, you looking fresh.
Yep.
What took you so long?
I couldn't find my clothes. I usually get out the shower fast. Like, 1 minute fast. Like, wash my body up. Yeah. Other stuff like that. I usually get out the shower so fast, man. But I couldn't find my clothes, so that's why. So, I'm back. I scared Daisy. I already did. You did it? Yep. Oh, okay. Y'all got rid of her hiccups that fast? It wasn't fast, it was just because you were gone. Oh. I'm so glad you're back, Lukas. Yeah, I'm glad I'm back too. Well, anyways, where's Chica at, man? I think she's still down there, I don't know. Yep, I knew it. Chica, what are you doing? Why are you asking me? I just want to ask. I just want to know, Chica. Why you want to know? 'Cause I'm curious. Why are you curious? Chica, stop asking me questions, man. Just tell me. Fine, because I want to. You know what? Since you want to be here, I guess you want to be in there.
Ow.
Yep. Do whatever you want there, Chica. I don't even care.